Next up on the agenda, honey, Kenya Moore. Y'all know Kenya Moore had threatened me, child. Kenya Moore and her little cronies over there, her gay pocketbooks was over there calling me all kind of names and stuff, talking about I was stalking her, child. They was doing everything they could to deflect from the fact that Kenya Moore is about to be evicted. Okay, now we've been on this eviction watch. We ain't lied on that lady. We've been reading court documents after court documents after court documents. Now, I don't understand how Kenya Moore can tell her team Twirl that the case is closed when the case is open. Yes, honey, Kenya Moore threatened me, child. Talk about she had a pow and remember when she claimed Britt Edith was gonna pow her? Now Kenya Moore claiming that that she gonna pow me for coming to her unopened spot that we all know is not open. Kenya Moore's spot is a shell, honey. It was never meant to be a working business, a working establishment. As many years as it's been there, 2, 3, 4, I don't even know how many, because she had like 3 grand openings. The people over there say that it has never ever opened. Now, I didn't have this downloaded the other day, because with your Meta glasses, see, I gotta update my little video. With your Meta glasses, when you charge them, it be downloading all your videos and stuff, right? And I didn't realize I had some more videos of when I went to the nail spot that is next door to Kenya Moore Hair Spa. I did. Hold on, look. Okay, hold on. This is, let me see which one. Let me go back. Okay, hold on. Let me turn off my glasses so y'all can hear. Hold on. Yeah. It's closed. Wait a minute. Can y'all hear it? Hold on. Let's stop. My glasses keep connecting, y'all. Hold on. They said they open it at 3 p.m. Okay. We'll see. It's 2:20. It's 2:20. We'll see. They said they open at 3. So we'll be back. So wait a minute. I ain't even finished. Hold on. Where I go next? Hold on. I'm just showing y'all where I went next. Then I went here. Okay. That's the nail spot. It's like directly next door. Hold on. Let me go back. Okay, I just got my nails done. Wait. I got so many. I'm putting a vlog. I'll probably release it tomorrow, whatever. But this is I'll get my nails done right down here. You see, it was 4:07. It was 4:07. I had got there at 2:30. Yes, the door is closed. And let's not forget these receipts right here. Hold on, I'm gonna show you these receipts right here that I had pulled up for y'all the other day. I keep showing y'all the same receipts, and y'all be acting like, I'm like, y'all don't believe me? We talked about this already. Dang. Hold on, where is it? Like this video as y'all get in here, please. Like this video. Okay, here is the. Okay, here it is right here. Save. Okay. Yeah, that has to do it today. Oh, okay. So the door was closed when I came up here. Can y'all hear that? If you want to remember what I can't even bring the damn video out. Hold on. Let me put it in the thing so y'all can hear it. And this is what happened when I ain't home, child. I can't get all my stuff together. MP4. Hold on, I gotta save it as an MP4 so that it can go in the. Okay. Now this is a little clip. I showed this yesterday. I'm gonna show it again. me getting my nails done, and everybody nail shop was telling me about the damn spa. Listen.
Right behind it. What about the one right here? So we can check by appointment or not? Okay. Yeah, then that's a ticket up to that. Oh, okay. Because the door was closed when I came up here. I was just wondering. So I said, you want to do you remember what's supposed to name of it? Like an event? Can you more hair spa? Oh, the one next to us? No. She's closed. She's closed? Yeah. For good? Never. She never opened. Never? No. She's been open for a few days, few times, and then she go. No. Everybody. She just do it different, so.
Như bà làm hẹn.
Yeah, she got she did it. She's very popular. I would think that. Yeah. And it never opened. You never saw nobody over there in there. One time they got all the dollar party and this and that. Sometimes there's that was about 2 years ago, wasn't it? Girl come in and then she used to be really cute. Because I wanted to go over there and get my hair waxed.
I wanted to go over there, child.
Do you ever see her?
So that was my little clip. I actually have the full vlog is available on my members only. Now, the gag is Kenya was saying that the case was closed. That was semantics. I think I told y'all before the case was closed because the order said that Kenya had to pay $44,000 by February 19th. And if she did not, the landlord would have the authority to evict her. And also her counterclaim would be, she would not be able to move forward with her counterclaim. Kenya did not pay the money into the registry. Therefore, the case was closed and the judge was issuing a writ to the landlord. Now, the landlord filed a document actually asking to reopen the case because he was like, not so fast, judge, we not finished with this yet. And when he did that, they did that, they also filed a motion to compel Kenya to discovery because they are asking for assets, whereabouts, what does the company own. They are also asking that Kenya pay their attorney's fees for wasting their goddamn time. Like, you have been squatting in our building for 12 months, and the only reason Kenya filed her counterclaim was because they filed an eviction against her. Now, Kenya, with her, I'm not going to say it. Oh, Lord, I'm not going to say it. Kenya, with her uninformed arse, went on live. Okay, and now it is documented on live, on record, on YouTube, of her saying that she refused to pay rent, which is illegal in Georgia, and that she wanted to force the landlord to basically honor their agreement to pay her the $80,000 tenant improvement allowance. Now, the landlord is saying, we don't even owe you that in the first place because you didn't even give us no documentation that you even spent $80,000 rehabbing this place. We haven't got nothing. We ain't got no invoice from the contractors. We haven't got no lien releases. We haven't got nothing. Okay, and so because Kenya didn't have her paperwork in order, the landlord said, you are in violation of the lease, so we don't owe you this money. Now, Kenya refusing to pay the rent, that is a totally separate issue. Yes, I got my nails done, Chad. They pretty. Look at that. Look at that. But anyway, that's a totally separate issue. Now, since they have reopened the case and decided to pursue Kenya, I know there's a bunch of people in here like, Michelle, you are not a lawyer, girl. It's this lawyer on YouTube saying that Kenya is smart and she is getting away with it for free because her name, she is not a guarantor on the loan. It is her company and it doesn't matter. So she can stay there as long as she wants and don't have to pay the landlord nothing. She can be a squatter and steal money from them business people. And listen, I would never tell, as a business owner myself, I would never tell nobody to steal money from nobody. Okay. That is the lowest. Who does that? Why are y'all okay with that? Like, it is so weird that people are literally on board with saying, oh, she gonna get away with not owing nothing because she's not a guarantor on the lease. Well, More Vision Media is, okay, and apparently according to the landlord and a whole bunch of other sources, Kenya through her More Vision Media still owns assets. Kenya bought a property in More Vision Media in 2022, okay, and it's still listed in the tax records under More Vision Media. So the landlord is like, we about to compel discovery, honey. We about to find out where these assets are. If we can't get it from Kenya, we gonna get it from somewhere. And now they done found that Kenya own an apartment, honey, a townhouse in Roswell that's worth at least $300,000. So, you know, the landlord saying that you owe 77, almost 80,000 in rent, right? And they gonna get you for their attorney's fees, however much that is, over a year's worth of attorney's fees. And it wasn't one, but two attorneys. Hell, you probably got another $100-some thousand in attorney's fees. So you got 180,000. That's 200,000 right there. They gonna take that. They gonna take that townhouse, child. That townhouse that Mark probably living at, but I'm digressing. Meanwhile, also the this is so shady. I know. Remember I told you I had a copy of the signed writ for possession? Well, the judge has signed another one, child. The judge has signed another one after the landlord reopened the case, and the judge signed it, okay? And after they asked to compel discovery and trying to find out where the assets are, the judge said this eviction is taking too long. The judge said this eviction is taking too long, and in taking too long, they filed she Judge Jackson signed another she signed another writ, and she changed the wording in it to say basically that Kenya got about 24, 48 hours. She got about 24, 48 hours, depending on how fast the marshals should get there. Because the other one didn't specify when exactly the marshals would be there. This one right here saying instantly, okay? Look, to the sheriff, marshal, or whoever. Whereas defendant, I can't see. Tenant, More Vision Media Inc. has failed to make rent payments into the court's registry as required by this court's February 3rd, 2026 order compelling payment of rent into the registry of the courts. Now, therefore, you are hereby commanded to place plaintiff, landlord, Northland Chambly LLC, doing business as a deco, blah, 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 in full and quiet possession of the premises located at blah, 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 blah in Chambly. And to remove defendant, tenant, More Vision Media Inc. and all other occupants, their personal property, and all persons claiming through or under them from said premises. Now, is this line right here? You are further commanded to execute this writ of possession instanter and to file the court, blah, 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 blah. Now, this was filed on the 3rd day of March, okay? She just changed a little bit of the word and make sure she got it clear that anybody and everybody that's in there needs to go, okay? If the makeup artist is in there, if the hairstyle, whoever's in there got to go. Them shoes got to go. Them wigs in the thing got to go. This was filed March 4th, 2026 at 11:17. That was this morning, honey, at 11:17. So, yeah, the judge said you got to go. Okay, the judge said you got to go. Now, y'all gonna get mad at me and act like I'm lying on Kenya. Y'all gonna call me a stalker. Kenya called me a bullfrog and said that, you know, she gonna throw out kibbles and bits. Kenya told y'all where I hang out at, where I eat at Noble. Kenya says you can hear my muffler, and my car ain't got no muffler because it's an EV. Look, my other Porsche has a muffler though. My other Porsche might be a little loud. It go. It's very fast. It's very, anyway, it's very fast. But anyway, I'm digressing. But I didn't drive that car. But yeah, child, all them dresses got to go. Brooklyn's dresses got to go. Mark's used shoes got to go. Everything got to go. But that ain't my fault that it's got to go. It's your fault, Kenya, that it's got to go. That fake place that's been sitting there empty for 3 years. And it's crazy because I told y'all this the last slide. The damn tenants around there are pissed off too because they like, nothing's going on over here. We thought we was renting spaces next to a celebrity, honey. The celebrity don't even run her business. It is literally a shell of a place. And so, you know, they thinking that because there are other hair salons over there, there's nail shops over there, there are apartments above, that this was going to be an organic community where people go and, you know, do their services, and there's a lot of foot traffic. No. Kenya is a detriment to the community, according to the tenants around there. But, you know, again, I'm digressing. I am digressing. Oh, Kenya also said in her live that her landlord was harassing her or something. I don't think she used those words, but she said that the landlord wouldn't allow her to sell her used clothes in the hair spa. It's like, it's a nice little nail spot over there. It's nice salons over there. And you think them people want that damn thrift shop in the middle of that place? Nobody want to buy your used clothes. Sell them out your garage. Do a garage sale at More Manor. Dang. Anyway, I'm digressing. But anyway, for those of you who say there is no guarantor, if More Vision Media is the guarantor, even though More Vision Media allegedly has been administratively dissolved, the attorneys are running discovery right now to find out what's in whose name, where's the money, how you was getting paid, what you getting your checks in. If she was getting checks in More Vision Media and deposit them in another account, child, they could take them too. It's gonna be a mess, child. Yeah, oh, child, a menace at the Plaza. Yep, it's gonna be a mess. But anyway, I'm digressing, child. Moving on. Like this video, please. Thank you. And then Kenya put her foot in her mouth too when she was talking about Brit, y'all. You know, when she said she didn't say where's that hoe, even though that is her slogan, where's that hoe, when she had the damn naked pictures on the poster board that got her fired in the first place. Child. Anyway, they're gonna use that against her, I'm sure. Yes, Plato's Kenya's Closet. Shout out to Plato's Kenya's Closet. Moving on. Like this video, please. Thank you. Like this video now.